So I'm gonna make this my star. Now see this little imperfection right here? I don't know how well you can see it. That's okay because his head is gonna be right there, so I'm not pressed about that. So let me take this off. Thing around the edge, you know, just to kind of make it pop and be vibrant for the llama. I said I don't want it like super, I definitely want to get the sides, and then I'm just gonna kind of add the little teal to it. I don't want it to be perfect. I just want it to have like some other colors to it. A little dark right there, so we're gonna like spread that out some. I'm just gonna put there's just some vodka right here, nice and empty. Well, it's cleaning my brush out. I kind of want it clear, so let me wipe this off. Let me get another little drop because I just cleaned my brush out with that one. Not that it's not gonna do the same thing anyway. Take this, and then I'm just gonna like blend them together. And just blend it together. And I'm just gonna wet this and make this a little sticky. And then I'm just gonna lift this up. And I'm gonna put this on the cookie. Just like that. Press it down in the middle. It's on. Making sure it's nice and on there. So I have a nice purple here. I should have lightened it up a little bit, but I'm not gonna do all that. My son's just gonna eat these, so I'm not I'm not making these for anybody. They're just for my son. Figure he could be kind of cool and go to school with Fortnite cookies for his lunch, or with his lunch. Okay, so let's cut this out. Is it down enough for the impressions? You want to make sure like all your middle bits and bobs are all like imprinted, because there's pieces in here that, you know, of course make your indentations for you. So let's raise this up. All right, I need a dry brush. Dry brush. Dry brush. Because there's some pieces that are a little stuck. As I try to pull this out. Ugh. Okay. All right, it looks pretty good. The mouth is a little janky, but it'll be okay because we're gonna cover some of those pieces up anyway. All right, so there's that piece. I'm gonna stick this guy. Let's pick him up and get him on some wax paper. This is, okay. So I'm just cleaning up the edges. Okay. So I'm gonna stick this right here. Now, I'm gonna get some chocolate fondant. I honestly don't need a really big piece, so I just have a little piece. Where's my roller? And I'm just gonna roll this out like so. You don't need it super big. Now, one thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna take my little brush and I am just gonna put a little bit of cornstarch on top. Not a lot, because the top is sticky and I don't want a ton of cornstarch on it, but I just need enough for the things to not stick. So, as you see, I have my pieces laid out right here. So the first two parts I'm gonna do are the ears. So this is one ear. And pull this out. Wipe the ends. And then this is the other ear. There's like plastic. It's like little plastic, weird yellow things on it. Just probably from it printing or from them making it. And these are 3-inch cutters if you were curious or wondering what size. And I'm gonna take these little itty bitty brushes and I'm just gonna cut that out. Let's lay that down. Let's pop this one out. Smooth it down. All right, now, I get my little brush and I'm just gonna put a little water there. Oops, missed it. And a little string of water there. Just enough. And then this side, it gets lined up, I believe. It's like 503. Okay, so this side gets lined up with this. Like, are the ears supposed to be more? I'm thinking. And then I'm just gonna press that down in there. Ooh. And then this side comes down like this. I don't know. These ears are weird. And then I'm just gonna press them in. Okay. So there's the llama ears. We'll move that off to the side because we are done. Now we're gonna do the reins. So here's one rein. Let's push that out. Come on. There we go. Now see, this has a little impression in it right there. If you can't see it, you can always just use a tool to make it a little bit more noticeable. And then this side, wipe that off, this is the other side. Now, as I look at this picture, I notice that they meet right above this line right here. So I'm going to, where's my brush again? I'm gonna take a little dab of water and I see that the reins meet about there. So I'm gonna put this one there. Until it reaches the end. So there's that side. And then this side goes up over the head. And so this one is gonna go like this way. I need you to get off my finger though, is what I need. Okay, thank you. So there's that side. And then I need a little bit of yellow, which is what whoops, wrong one. I did have yellow. Nope, that's purple. What color is this? That's black. This is yellow. No. Oh my goodness, I knew I had. Is this yellow? No, that's empty. Is this the yellow? This is the yellow. So instead of using the color, I'm just gonna get a little pinch of yellow because all I need is a little circle. So I'm just gonna roll. This would be the dot, this little circle cutter for the dot. I'm not gonna bother with that. So I'm just gonna make a little ball and I'm gonna place it right there because that's where it goes anyway. So there's that. Now I'm gonna make the eyeball. So I still have this white sitting here. I'm done with this brown for now. And then I'll take the eye. I'm gonna cut an eye out. I'm gonna cut your eye out. And then just push it out. Bam. Now what I might do is I might actually put this one inside a little bit. Whoops. All right, how does the eyeball go? I'm looking at, okay. So the eye goes right there, about, okay. Let's pull the eye gently out. Okay, we got the eyeball out. We'll put this eyeball in. Ta-da! Done with the eye. Get my little point thing. Shake it up. Take my little ball tool. Make sure I have some black on it. And right in the center, make my eyeball. The ball of my eye. Rinse it off. Now what else do we have left? We have the mouth. So I need, oh yeah, and I have to make the little, this is like a little indentation tool. He's got like 2 little indentions on his nose. So indentation 1, indentation 2. Done with that. His teeth. So here's, let me just cut his teeth out real quick right here. Oh, you can't see. There's a little strip of white fondant right here. Whoops. We're gonna cut his. These little teeny tiny cutters are not fond of because, I mean, yeah. Okay. So there's his teeth. Let me just clean this up a bit. And his teeth go right here, I believe. And there's supposed to be another section like that's black. But instead of using this little teeny tiny cutter and cutting it black, I'm just going to take a very fine paintbrush. Let me see if I can get one of my super duper teeny tiny paintbrushes. But something I can have some control over, like this one. This is a nail art brush. Oop. And I'm gonna take this top off. And again, I'm just gonna go right in here with the black. And I'm just gonna paint that black. Just like that. So I don't have to worry about like a little super, super teeny tiny little piece of black fondant. And there we go. There's our Llama. So now I'm gonna bring my star over the cookie. Again, I'm gonna get some agua. And I'm just gonna put some water right here in the middle. Let's pick our llama up very gently. Press him down. Put some water under his ears. Like I said, any parts that are sticking up, a little bit of water. You can fix up any rough edges. All right. Now, if the cookie, if this part's not sticking, just put a little bit of water, because it is fondant. The water will make it stick. You can use piping gel, you can use roll icing, but this is fine. It's not gonna mess with your cookie or nothing. Okay. And there we go. There is our Llama Fortnite cookie.